Okay, hi students. The previously we discussed that organic chemistry, chemical properties, reaction with silver nitrate we discussed, and potassium nitrate also we discussed. Now next to reaction with the potassium nitrate KNO2 and AgNO2. Okay na, reaction with KNO2 and AgNO2, potassium nitrite and silver nitrite, potassium nitrite and silver nitrite. Okay, so alkyl halides when react with potassium nitrate and silver nitrate, the product formation is different. So KNO2, in the KNO2 structure, here K is attached to oxygen and N double bond O. Okay na? This is KNO3 or KNO2, potassium nitrate. So this is a ionic bond. Ionic bond mean oxygen is carries negative charge and potassium carries positive charge. So free ions are present. So that's why this negative nucleophile will be attacked and chlorine is eliminated. So in the case of potassium nitrate, the product is ONO. Alkyl nitrites. Alkyl nitrite. The product is alkyl nitrite. And in the case of silver nitrite, the bond is covalent. Again, this bond is covalent. So that's why there is no silver plus ion and nitrite ion. So in this case, the nitrogen lone pair will be attack. Okay. So AgNO3, NO2, silver nitrite. So in this case, oxygen is attacking, and in this case, nitrogen is attacking. So now further after attacking nitrogen, here breakage takes place. Now R is linked with N, okay na, and the remaining O2. Okay na. So here the byproduct is KCl, here byproduct is AgCl. So in this case, this is nitroalkane. Nitroalkane. So the difference you should observe. The difference always, if silver nitrite attack nitrogen, in the silver nitrate nitrogen is attacking space, and also in the potassium nitrite oxygen is attacking element. So the difference you observe. So in this case, alkyl nitrites are the products, in the case of nitroalkanes are the products. Next to Williamson synthesis, one of the important reaction, Williamson ether synthesis. Williamson's ether synthesis. Williamson ethers synthesis. It is a preparation of ethers, one of the most important reaction. Sodium or potassium alkyl halides. Okay na, sodium or potassium alkoxides. Sodium alkoxide when react with alkyl chloride. Sodium alkoxide when react with alkyl chlorides, then here R will be attacked, X will be eliminated. Okay, the products are the ethers. Plus NaCl is plus NaCl or NaX is eliminated. This is the ether. So ether is formed, right? So when sodium alkoxide react, in the place of R, if I take sodium methoxide plus ethyl chloride, what happened? O minus will be attack and chlorine is eliminating. So CH3O, CH2, CH3. Okay, this is ethyl methyl ether is formed. So this is about chemical reactions, Williamson synthesis. Very, very important. Next, Hoffman ammonalysis. Hoffman ammonalysis. Hoffman ammonalysis. In this Hoffman ammonalysis reaction, alkyl halides, alkyl chloride or alkyl halide, when react with ammonia, here alkyl amines plus HCl is eliminated. This is a primary amine. Primary amine is formed. Primary 1 degree amine is formed. If excess alkyl chloride used, then what happened? RCl, okay na? Excess alkyl used, RCl, when react with ammonia, first minus HCl eliminate and forms primary amine. Then again it can be react with RCl, secondary amine is the product, NHR, and again it react with RCl, again tertiary amine is the product. Okay, tertiary amine. So the product formation is like this. I am going to rub this. Okay. So this is a primary amine. This is a secondary amine. This is a tertiary amine. Can always minus HCl. Minus HCl is eliminated. So next again if react with 1 mole of RCl, again it forms quaternary ammonium salts plus Cl minus. Then a quaternary ammonium salts. So if you the molar ratio, if 1:1 ratio if taken, the primary amine is the major product. If you take excess of alkyl chloride, if this is taken as excess with ammonia, then RCl repeatedly attack initially forms primary amine, then after secondary amine NH, both are R groups. Next to tertiary amine N and remaining R groups. Next to quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts are the products. This is called Hoffman ammonalysis.